Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is a quick little video and it's all about soaps. Now you must be wondering that what's up with Deblina, why she's suddenly talking about soaps, that too a full video about it. Now if you don't know this, I love everything that has to do with shower care, or I would say body care in the shower. These are the new Nykaa Naturals glycerin soaps. So I have all the variants with me over here. They have 6 variants. I have all 6 over here. I'm just showing you 3 just to show you what I'm going to review. So yes, without any further delay, let's get started with the review and the demo and everything about these new Nykaa Naturals glycerin soaps. Now to start with the review, each of these soaps they retail for 100 rupees and you get 100 grams of product. Now one interesting thing about these soaps is that they are hand cut and they are very gentle. Of course glycerin soaps are supposed to be a little more moisturizing than regular soaps. That's why they are so popular during the winter. But other than that they're really gentle on the face. Nykaa claims that not just on your body, but you can also use these soaps on your face. Now I don't know about that because I generally don't use soap on my face because it can be a little harsh. So the other day when I was in shower, I was using one of these soaps. I'm actually using the aloe and the tea tree one right now, and I was like, at this point I have done so many things. I've experimented with so many beauty products. Might as well see if this claim is right or not. Now be it a soap or a cleanser, I don't like anything that's overly stripping, that makes your face irritated and dry. So I went ahead with the soap. I just took a little bit on my hand, like rubbed a little bit on my hand, and I went ahead with it on my face. And my face felt quite clean. It did not feel too dry or anything. So they are claiming that you can use it also on your face, maybe because it is that gentle. So I'm quickly going to take you through each of the variants, and I'm going to read it from my mobile because I've written it on my mobile or else I won't remember. So as you can see, the first one that I have with me is the tea tree and aloe vera one, and as you can see, I've already started using this and I had to bring it from my shower because of this video. Now this is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and this is something that I want to mention. Body acne is a real thing. I will just be very real with you girls and guys out here. Body acne is common and it's real. We get it because of our conditioners, too much dirt on the skin, wearing the same workout clothes and all of that. So sometimes even I get body acne, especially near my stomach area or torso area. So I started using this one, and maybe it's because of some product that ended up clogging my skin or something at the back, and I've used this regularly for a couple of days, and I could see a reduction in that sort of rash and kind of acne. It's not really acne, but it's more like a rash. So I did see a reduction, so I really enjoyed this soap. I also want to mention that the fragrance of each of these are like, oh my god, they're so beautiful. You can just keep it at a distance and your house, your room will smell so good. So if you're someone who uses soap as something like for home fragrance, then again you will really love it. They smell so good. This one smells so fresh. So this is the tea tree and the aloe vera one. Next, again we have something that will be great for body acne and rashes and all of that situation. This is the neem and tulsi one. Again, antibacterial. They will just help to clean your skin nicely, and again smells incredible, you guys. And these are so cute. These are just for 100 rupees and you get a good quantity, and it's free from all the harmful chemicals. It's paraben free, and one thing that I really like about Nykaa's cosmetics, as well as the Nykaa Naturals, the brand, is that they do not test on animals. That is something I absolutely appreciate about Nykaa and their home brands. The next one is the charcoal and kaolin clay one. You can see it's black in color. Smells, again this one smells a little different, but again smells really fresh. Now charcoal is going to pull out all the dirt and impurities out of your pores. Like charcoal is a very powerful ingredient. It cleanses your skin thoroughly, and I believe in the power of charcoal when it comes to cleansing products. And this also has kaolin clay in it. So kaolin clay is excellent in just unclogging your pores, as well as just giving you that whole minimized and tight feeling. If you turn back, you can see it in the ingredient list of many of your face masks, because kaolin clay is a powerful ingredient when it comes to cleansing. If you're someone who's having to go out for office and other things, then you can definitely go for the charcoal and the kaolin clay one. Next we have the haldi and chandan one. Now I wish you guys could just smell this, it smells so good. It smells exactly like chandan, that is sandalwood. And like a mixture, like a mixture of haldi and chandan. Now haldi and chandan, we all know that how great these two ingredients are. Our grandmothers, our ancestors have been using this on the skin for so long. Chandan helps to calm your skin down, soothe your skin, get rid of all the like discoloration and all of that. And haldi definitely helps in just preventing and reducing inflammations on the skin, from say body acne and all of that. So I definitely appreciate the idea of putting these two things together. It's like they are like a power couple. Now next we have the rose and geranium one. Now this too is supposed to work as a team and help you just tighten your skin and make your skin really supple and soft. Geranium oil or rose in general helps in achieving smoother and softer skin if you use it regularly. Now this rose and geranium one smells so beautiful, and also like if you just use it say in the morning, you just instantly will feel so much more better. Sorry if you see any change in the frame right now, with my camera battery just died and had to recharge it and shoot. So I'm really sorry if there's a change in frame. The last one that I have is lavender and basil, and this is something I actually wanted to start with this because if you follow me regularly on my YouTube or my Instagram, you would know that I love lavender because I struggle with anxiety. So lavender definitely calms me down, and in the past also it has calmed me down. Every time I feel a little overwhelmed, I smell a bit of lavender, I definitely feel a lot more calmer, like instantly. So this is the lavender and basil one. Now basil again is great to just clean your skin thoroughly, get rid of all the impurities and dirt, and just protect your skin from further rashes and any skin problems. And lavender in general is supposed to be very soothing and very calming. So I have saved it for the night time. Sometimes when you're having a bad day and towards the end of the day, just hopping into the shower and just taking bath with warm water and a nice bath product definitely helps. It makes you feel a lot more lighter. And lavender also helps with like your sleep. Like if you have an irregular sleeping pattern, if you can't sleep, then the smell of lavender is very relaxing. Definitely helps with like falling asleep faster. So guys, those were all of the 6 variants of the glycerin soaps by Nykaa Naturals or by Nykaa. One thing that I do want to put out there is that I definitely like the packaging and everything, and generally natural soaps or soaps in general are like you get it like this, but I would really appreciate it if the packaging was completely made of cardboard or something like that instead of plastic, because firstly you can't really store it once you open it. Like you have to store it in a soap case, and secondly a cardboard box would be a little more nicer. So I think that is one thing that I want to just put it out there. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. If you want to try these soaps, then go ahead, try it. It's fun and it's nice and it's really nourishing on the skin. And if you buy any of these soaps, let me know in the comments, or just tag me in your haul and let me know what you think about these soaps. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.